Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. I'm back.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yes, Mom?
Do it. Let's do it. Do it. Let's do it.
It's your boy Soldier Boy in Dubai. Look at that camel behind me though, scratching his neck. Turn up.
I got the Louis shoes. Dirty, goddamn!
Oh fuck. I did it. I totally just fucking drove off and this fucking thing snapped off. Oh no.
Yo, what the fuck is this?
That's what you asked for. Look.
That's a fucking video, bro.
On schmong.
Hey. How was Ethan's? What'd you guys do? Pee in this real quick.
You got no wire, none on them.
I mean, I do have a wire, but it's a microphone, so it goes.
You got no badge in your pocket or nothing, do you?
No.
Loosen up, man.
Okay.
Yeah, we good. Loosen up.
I'm cool. This is getting a little real now.
Oh my god, the video's over. So sad. I'll see you tomorrow.